Guys, welcome to my channel. And after a long time I am filming a formal video, like with not so proper setting. I don't ever have a proper setting, but yeah, leave it. So আজকে আমি যেই ভিডিওটা করছি, so I have a wedding to attend today. So for that I want to try something new with my hairstyle, and so we will do it together. So I want to do some curl happening in my hair, যেটা আমার চুলটা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ আমার যে ভীষণই স্ট্রেট, তো আমি করতে চাই এটা। আর আমি যে হ্যাকটা দেখেছি, দ্যাট ইজ লাইক you will have your curls like Maggie, and though I like soft curls, but I want to go crazy this time. So yes, I wanna try, and I am going to try with you all a hack that is like with no product, with no heat, simply with you will need two products, that is this plastic straws and a comb, of course. So we will do this together and we will share it with you. Let's start. So the time is now in the afternoon. It is 3:39. I started the video like at 3 p.m. but the outside noise is making me crazy and I cannot film the video in pace, so that is why leave it. Okay, so we will start by combing our hair. Of course, any hairstyle করতে হলেই আগে comb করাটা খুব প্রয়োজন, because frizzy hair is not for good hairstyles. So we will do that first. So after that we will, of course, the major tool for our hairstyle for curly hair is this plastic straws. So we will open that. Okay. So these are so thin. I guess I am going to combine two of this and then do my hairstyle. So yes. And I must say that I am trying this hack for the first time in my life, so don't judge me. And I also don't know that how am I going to look in the wedding today, because I don't know how this hairstyle is going to turn out. So without further ado, I am going to start. So I guess I have seen the tutorial. I should take small sections and do work with it. I guess I'm going to part it from the middle and then do. Okay. So I'm going to start with this I should, right? So I'm going to take this small section. Then I'm going to take this straw and okay, so I have seen that if you are doing this hack, you are going to get a Maggie kind of curly hair. Don't get offended, I don't have a word for that. That is why I'm using Maggie, because I love Maggie. So yes, so I will try to have a loosened kind of curl. That is why I am going to make a little bit of loose curls, because in the tutorial আমি দেখেছি যে that is more of so tight and গিজি curl আর কি। সো আমি সেরকমভাবে চেষ্টা করব, এরকমভাবে আমি একটু লুজ নেব নেলিশটাকে। লুজ করে আমি করব। Okay, fine. So now you have to just, I don't know if just বাঁধতে হবে আর কি, এটাকে যেরকম আমরা করি। This is more tight actually. I don't know if I did wrong in the first place. I don't know. I'm going to do it anyway. Okay, so I guess I have to open it up. The clip. Ow. This is so. Ow, ow. Okay, fine. Okay, so now I'm going to take another, section. Okay. I guess I'm going to fast forward it because no one is going to watch this, But yeah. So yes, the half of my hair is like into the straws, so you can see that the struggle is real. So I am going, and the process is so lengthy that you are getting bored. I know you are going to skip all this part, so I am going to also make you skip the half of my hair part, and I am going to do this and then come and meet you. Stay tuned. Okay, so yes guys, oops, my god, I'm going to poke my eye. So whatever, I have completed putting straws into the strands of my hair. So yes, please, you know, don't hear the noise. So yes, okay, I should show you the time. It is 4:03. So I guess it hadn't took me so much of time. I was so afraid of that, but I guess it is so struggle, like this is like Ananya Pandey struggle. Okay, so I am going to upload also my makeup video. The video is the makeup I am going to do today for the wedding. So I'm going to upload that also. And now I guess I saw the tutorial, and in that you have to keep this straws for 3 hours at least. So I guess I'm going to take a quick nap now. I'm going to like wake up and have some tea, and then I am going to remove this and put my makeup on. So I am going to share with you the results, of course, and so be with me in the journey, okay? And of course, fingers crossed, hope this viral hack goes good with me, and I just want to look presentable in the wedding. So yes, be with me, stay tuned. So yes guys, I have put this on for I don't know how many hours, but now I'm going to quickly actually try to remove. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but yes, I'm going to remove all this now. I don't know what this is going to be. Okay, it's going to be Maggie or what? Let's see. Will I look like a clown or what? Don't know. How? Okay, just so guys. guys, I'm just going to remove it faster because I'm getting late for the wedding, and I will just meet you after this. Stay tuned. I will meet you. So hi guys, finally here is the final look. I must say the hack works great. So I have done a thing that I have combed my hair thoroughly. So the curls have become softer, but it was like kind of messy, and I kind of like it so much. Actually, you can see my hair is super straight, but it is giving it the yeah. So without further ado, I am just finishing up. So yes, this is the serum I am applying. This is Trix Pro. So just taking small amount, rubbing it. So guys, if you want to look like watch this makeup look, how I have achieved that, you can check out my channel, and also I will try to give the link in the description below, so you can watch that. And yes, I'm good to go, I guess. And actually you don't need any heat, any product for this. This is just homemade, totka jake bole. So yes, and if you want to watch pictures of mine in this outfit, so you can also follow me on my handles on Facebook. I will give the links below. And okay, so I guess I should go for the wedding now. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share with your friends, and please comment down your views and follow me up for more videos. Bye.